Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I am a cartoonist and the author of many books on drawing, manga, cartoons, figure drawing. Today I want to show you how to draw a fun character, a cute manga character. So we're going to draw the basic outline of her head first. So this is like a circle here, but onto that we add the cheek area here and we bump it out for the chin like that. So this is now going to be a 3/4 view. And we see her neck here. I'm going to bring this forward a little more and just be loose. We adjust it as we go. And we're going to show the hair coming down like that. So now we have the basic construction. We start with that rather than the features. Start with the construction. And now I want to show you how to do the eyes. We're going to start with very bold eyelids. The top eyelid is very bold and thick. And into that we will tuck the eye so it looks like she's looking back at us this way. So we use our pencil and we kind of run it along this way and say, oh, this must be the level of the other one. So we do the other one. But this will be thinner, not quite as thick, not quite as long because it's on the other side of the face. There's less room, perspective. When we turn the face this way, perspective changes the shape of objects, or appears to. Here is the eyebrow coming down. We'll put a couple of eyelashes and an eyelid crease on either side. Now here is where the bridge of the nose would go, but we're not going to show that. Stylistically, it's not always shown. So I'm going to take where I know the bridge of the nose would go and lead it out to the tip of the nose, and that would go about here. So that's where I'm going to indicate the tip of the nose. Now for the smile, I'm not going to draw a big happy smile because that's overboard. You don't need that. Just a straight line. You say, well, that doesn't look happy. No, not yet, but wait till you draw the bottom line. See, that's a straight line for the smile. But when I draw the bottom line, suddenly that straight line starts to look like a smile. It's kind of funny how that works. Now, let's have the bangs go over the head, and then we'll have the hair coming over this way. All right, so now, my trusty pen, I'm going to get started finishing it up. Maybe I'll put the ear here. That would look good. If I put the ear here, then this becomes strands of hair over the ears, which is, as you manga fans know, is a great look to have. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start not with the features, like I said. I'm going to start with the outside of the face. The framework of the face is more important than the features. A lot of aspiring artists start with the features, but it's better for you and your construction of the character if you start with the overall shape of the head. Now you can do it any way you want, and professional artists make variations as well. But this is a good practice to learn. Do you want to change it? That's great, but it's good to learn this way. So look, I'm making it thicker eyelids, and what that is also doing is showing some variety, which is a pleasing thing. So it's thick, thin. If everything is at the same tone, it gets boring. Okay, now let me make this far eyeball. Now you can see already that this looks like the first one, but it's thinner. It's been compressed by perspective. Here's the straight line. Suggest the bottom of the mouth, and leave it a little bit open because that's a stylistic choice. All right, the upper eyelid crease, eyelashes. Now I'm going to put that ear in, just like this. I'm going to give a little definition to it like this. And I'll start the hair strands above the head, over the bangs. Yeah, I have a thinner pen I think I'll use for some of these strands. Alrighty. Oh, and also a little bit for the shading, like that. Now let's put in the eyebrows. They're arched in the same direction that the upper eyelids are arched. See, I kind of vary the placement. It's not all the same. And I'll cut some of them off at the bottom. I'll feather this on top, not one straight line, just I'll feather a little bit like that. It's more natural that way. And put a line of hair behind her. That layers it. And now the eyes. So we're going to put a shine on, but we're not going to put a shine right under the eyelid. Right under the eyelid goes a shadow. And below that shadow goes a big shine. And then we'll shade that a little bit too, a little roughly, and we'll leave the rest open. That's a simple eye shine that works. Okay, so there we go. There is your, oh, one more thing. A little bit of eyelashes this way. It's floating like that. It's kind of nice. So there you go, there you have it. I enjoyed this. I hope you did too. Please join me for more videos by subscribing to my channel. And I will see you next time. I have 400 videos. You can choose any of them. I think you get something out of all of them. Thanks again. Bye-bye.